This is your Lead Left vodcast for the week of January 16th. I'm Randy Schwimmer. Welcome back. Predicting the investing climate is an iffy proposition. For instance, back in May 2021, one CIO of a large private wealth manager predicted inflation will be higher. At a dangerous level? No. Another fixed income head at a top global asset manager wasn't so sure. There is so much dislocation in the economy that it will take at least 6 to 12 months before we get a clear view of the underlying inflation trend. Prescient as well was Mohamed El-Arian of Allianz, who said, "The last few years have been great for investors because everything went up," he said back then. You gained on your equities and bonds. Now you risk losing money on both sides. Indeed. The biggest challenge today is predicting Fed behavior. It seems less about data and more about sending a market signal that its battle against inflation is serious enough to end in a recession. That's led to towel throwing by analysts. Markets are unforecastable most of the time, said Andrew Pease, head of investment strategy at Russell Investments. He notes in Katie Martin's always excellent FT column, only when people hurt in a downturn can you really move with certainty. FT also cites a JP Morgan study showing over the past 20 years, the S&P 500 earned 9.76%. But if you took out the 30 best performing days, the index barely broke even, proving whether public or private, market timing is tricky. Experienced M&A participants are used to playing the long game. The M&A market is not going to stop, noted one banker in a Wall Street Journal piece. It just doesn't work that way. What it does is it evolves. A partner at a top law firm said in the same article, the most important ingredient is confidence. This comes from structures that adapt to financing pressures such as higher rates without sacrificing execution. While 2022 was a down year volume-wise, it was still one of the top 5 busiest. And while 2023 is off to a slow start, history has shown it's impossible to anticipate all future events or count out determined buyers and sellers looking for ways to make a deal. Reporting from the Crystal Ballroom at the Lead Left, this is Randy Schwimmer, wishing you and your families a safe and healthy week.